Welcome kids, myself Mrs. Nitra Kade, your maths teacher from Welkin National School, and we are starting mathematics for standard 4. Students, from today we will start our term 2 portion. So this is your ninth chapter, word problem, addition and subtraction. Okay, so let's start. Students, you know how to do addition and how to do subtraction, right? We did it earlier. Now we will solve the word problems. Now what is word problem? Look, Aunt Uma bought 5 kilograms of tur dal for rupees 345. 345 and 20 kilograms of rice for rupees 789. How much money did Aunt Uma spend? Now this is a question. This is called a word problem. There is a story. Okay, there is a story in this word problem. So which is the story? That Aunt Uma bought 5 kilograms of tur dal for rupees 345 and 20 kilograms of rice for rupees 789. So how much money did Aunt Uma spend? So what is the what asked here? How much money Aunt Uma spent? So what we have to do? We have to add rupees 345 and rupees 789 together. Understood, student? This is a addition word problem. Now here, how much money did Aunt Uma spend? Total money asked here. So we will do addition. Now look. First, we will find information. What information given here? Look, the cost of tur dal and the rice. Okay. Then what is asked? Total cost. And what method we do? Addition. So, look, cost of dal, how much? Rupees 345. Cost of rice is rupees 789. So, we will add both them together. So, 345 plus 789. 5 plus 9, 14. So 4 will come here. 4 will come here and 1 will carry over here, right? 14. So 4 unit place will come here and tens place will carry over tens place. So again here 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 8. How much? 13. So 13. So we will write 3 here and again 1 will carry over here. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. So answer is 1134. 1134. So Aunt Uma spent rupees 1134 in all. Understood, student? We have to write the answer like this. Understood, student? This is a addition word problem. Okay. Now look at next. The cost of a refrigerator is rupees 13,750 and the cost of a cupboard is rupees 8,999. So how much must we pay the shopkeeper to buy them both? Again, what we have to do? We want here how much total amount we have to pay to shopkeeper. Then what we will do? Addition. Okay. So look, this is the cost of refrigerator. You have to write after the amount. What is this? Okay. So this is the cost of a refrigerator and this is the cost of a cupboard. So we will add now 0 plus 9. When we add 0 to any number, the answer is the number itself. So 0 plus 9, 9. 5 plus 9, 14. So 4 and 1 will carry over here. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 1, 7. 17. So 7 will come here, 1 will again carry over here. Again 3 plus 1, 4 plus 8, 12. So 2 and 1 will carry over here. 1 plus 1, 2. So the total answer is 22,749. So what is this? This is the amount we have to pay to the shopkeeper. Understood, students? This is the word problem. These are the word problems of addition. Understood the addition word problems? Now we will see word problem of subtraction. This is a subtraction story. Okay, now look. There are 1473 Marathi books and 586 Hindi books in a school library. Okay, so which language has more books than the other, and how many more books are there? Now here Marathi books and Hindi books are given. So these are in a school, these books are in a school library. So which language has more books? Now between Marathi and Hindi, which language has more books? We can easily tell ki Marathi, right? But we have to find by using a method. Then what method we will use? We will use subtraction, because the more number of books we want, so we will use subtraction method, right? And the other and how many more are there? So extra books, how many more? Okay, so here also you will first find what information is given. Now Marathi books given and Hindi books are given. So we, okay, and which language has more books? Marathi language has more books. Okay, what is asked? How many books, more books in which language? Okay, so, and we have to do subtraction. So first, which books are more? Marathi. So we will put first the Marathi book numbers. So how many? 1473. And Hindi books 586. So we will subtract this number from this. So here look, 3 number is here. We have to subtract 6 from 3. But 3 is a small number than 6. Then what we will do? We will borrow tens. Okay, we will borrow tens from 7. So here 7 will cut, and we are borrowing tens from here, na? Then 1 minus from 7, 6. Got it? Then what is the answer? 13. Here the number will be 13. 13 minus 6, 7. Okay, 13 minus 6, 7. Again here 6. Now 6 number is small than 8. So again we will borrow tens from here, and the number will be 16. So 16 minus 8, 8. So 8 will come. Here we borrowed 10 from 4. So 4 number will become 3. And again 5 is less than 5 is more than 3, so 3 will become 13, and we will borrow 1 from tens from here. So 13 minus 5, 8, and we borrowed tens from this one, so this one become 0. Okay, so the answer is 887. So what will our answer? There are 887 more Marathi books than Hindi books. Understood, students? Look at the next example. The sum of two numbers is 31,426. One of the number is 17,548. So what is the other number? Now the sum of two numbers, it means two numbers addition answer is this. Sum. Sum means what? What sum called? Number of addition answer is sum. So two numbers addition answer is 31,426. One of the number is 17,548. So we have to find the next number. Again, what information given? Sum of the two numbers and one of the number. So what we have to do? We have to subtract the other number from the answer. So look, 31,426 minus the number. So look, subtraction done. What is the answer? 13,878 is the other number. Student, if you want to check whether your answer is right or wrong, what you will do? You will add this to the answer. Look, 8 plus 8, 16. So 6 will come. 1 will carry. 4 plus 7, 11. Plus 1, 12. 2. Carry over 1 again. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 8, 14. 4. 1 will carry. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 3, 11. 1 will carry. 1 again here. 1 plus 1, 2, and plus 1, 3. Look, our answer is 31,426. So this answer is correct. Understood, students? Addition and subtraction word problems. Now student, we will learn addition and subtraction mixed problem. It means both addition and subtraction we will do in one word problem, one story. Okay, now look here. There are 42,306 trees in a forest. Of these, 23,479 are teak trees and 16,675 are subbul trees. So how many other trees are there in the forest? Now what is given? These are total trees in the forest. Out of these are teak trees and these are subbul trees. Next, these are subbul trees. So how many other trees are there in forest? So what we have to do first? First we want total number of these teak trees and subbul trees. Okay. Then first, what is asked? The number of other trees. What is asked? The number of other trees. And what information given? First one, the total numbers given, total trees is given, teak trees are given, and subbul trees are given. So what we have to do first? First we will add teak and subbul trees. Okay, and later last procedure is subtract the sum of this from total trees. Then we will get the other number of trees. Got it? We will what next? Our next step, subtract the sum of these trees from the total number of trees. So let's do. Look, first these are teak trees, and these are subbul trees. So we will add first them. So when complete addition, the answer is 40,154. These are only teak and subbul trees total. So to find the other number of trees, we have to subtract this answer from the total number of trees. Okay, so total number of trees 42,306 and teak and subbul trees are 40,154. Then after subtraction, what is the answer? 2,152 are other trees in the forest. So we will write the answer. There are 2,152 other trees in the forest. Understood, students? Now students, we will learn making problems based on given information. Now we will make a problem, okay, by ourselves. Make an addition problem based on given information. Look, the given information is number of men 1,450 and number of women 1,270. So look, example were given here. There are 1,450 men and 1,270 women working in the company. So how many people work in a company in all? This is the word problem we make. Okay, or you can make another word problem like look, I am making. There are 1,450 men. There is a village. Okay, there is a village, and in that village 1,450 are men and 1,270 are women. So what is the total number of them? Okay, this is a word problem. Solve it and write the answer of it. Okay, we can do a subtract, we have to make now a subtraction word problem. So look, given information is cost of one motorcycle and cost of another motorcycle. So look, a company's motorcycle cost 47,580 and A company's motorcycle cost 47,580 and B company's motorcycle cost 50,240. So which company's motorcycle is more expensive and by how much? Or you can write for which motorcycles we have to pay more. Okay, these are subtraction word problem. So students, hope you understood the subtraction addition word problems. Your lesson is over here. Students, do practice at home. Happy learning. Thank you so much.